So the truck made it back, or SUV. Some of you get upset when I call it a truck, but it made it back, and the check engine light did come on. So I guess what we got to do now is, this is a perfect opportunity for me to break out a product sent to me by Autel. This is the MaxiDiag MD806/MD806 Pro, and I have not used this one before. Obviously, I've got my real nice MaxiSys Elite, but this is definitely a lot more portable. And we'll go over a couple features on the back just real quick here. Let's see, support. It supports reading and erasing codes, data functions for engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems, support for read erase codes, live data functions for full systems, support oil service reset, service mileage and service interval reset, support parking brake pad relearn after replacement. That's a good one for some of those European cars, right? It does steering angle sensor resets, diesel particulate filter, including forced regeneration, support for battery registration and reset. Didn't know that. Global OBD2 coverage for the US. And this one is not a subscription-based service. Excuse me. So here we've got your little device right here. You got your little connector right here going in. We'll plug it into our OBD2 port. Let's turn the thing on. Let's find out why we have a check engine light. All right, this is not touchscreen, so it's kind of old school. You got to hit the buttons. It's actually very simple to use. Let's find out why this check engine light's on, and hopefully it's not anything too crazy. All right, so the good news is it only shows one code found. So let's read codes. We'll do stored codes. Oh, fan speed sensor circuit. I'm not entirely sure what the fan speed sensor circuit is, but that's one we're going to have to look up. It's a P0526. So let's check that out. But before we do that, let's just go through the diagnostic menu real quick. Excuse the beeps. Look, live data, freeze frame, O2 test, onboard monitor tests, component testing, and then of course vehicle info should give you your VIN number and stuff. Modules present, DTC lookup, system status, and read codes, erase codes. We're starting back over again. You get out of this, get out of this, hit yes, and we've got scan. You've got your services, service history, stuff like that for resetting your oil and stuff. There you go. Your steering angle reset, parking brake, DPF, battery. I can't believe that's a thing. Even your throttle. When you install a new throttle body, you got to do a relearn procedure on that. Adjust air fuel. Whoa, we're going to stay out of that one. You got updates. You got to update by USB, it looks like. It's not Wi-Fi, so you got to plug this into the computer, and it does come with the USB cable. All right, pretty cool. Let's go check out that code and find out exactly what it is. So as it turns out, that is the electric fan clutch. It's really no big deal. It's not expensive. It's not difficult to replace. The truck doesn't overheat. It seems to do just fine. It's something maybe we'll fix or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see as time goes on. And as we progress through purchasing parts from the junkyard, you know, maybe that's something we could pick up out of the salvage yard or something.